Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to add printer on Mac. Whether you have a wireless printer or a USB printer, this tutorial will help you connect it quickly and start printing in just a few minutes. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is turn on your printer. If you are using a wireless printer, make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your MacBook. You can check it from here on your top menu panel. And if you are using a USB printer, simply connect the USB cable to your MacBook. Now step 2, click on this Apple menu. Then click on System Preferences. Now you can see here printers and scanners at the bottom. Just click on this. Now to add a new printer, click on the plus icon. You can see here at the bottom left. Your Mac will now search for nearby printers automatically. As you can see here, my printer name Epson L380 series. I have connected this via USB. Now if your printer appears in the list, simply click on it. Then you can see here what you have to do. After selecting the printer, choose a driver. Printer software. We have Epson. I have not Epson 380 series, but I will download this Epson 24 pin series. Click on OK. Then you can see here add button. Click on the add button. As you can see, setting up Epson printer, and that's it. As you can see, my printer is connected. Everything you can see here: location, kind, status, open printer queue, options, and supplies, supply levels. You can see here 2 categories: general and supply level. Now let's test the printer. Open any document image. Open Finder, then go on Document. Now select any document or image for the demo. Now as you can see here, I have opened this. Now press Command plus P. As you can see, the number of copies. Select the number of copies from here. Select the page number, how much page you want to print. Now if you click on Show Details, you can see here more advanced features here. Your paper size, A4 paper size, it is automatically selected. Just choose the orientation, landscape or portrait. You can preview it. Now print entire image, full entire image, copies per page, everything from here. Now what you have to do at the last, just select on print, and that's it. Your printer will automatically, your setup is complete. If your printer is not appearing on the MacBook, try these fixes. Make sure the printer and Mac are connected to same Wi-Fi. If you are using the Wi-Fi printer, restart both the printer and MacBook and reconnect the USB cable if you are using wired connection. Reconnect it, and if it not supporting, update your macOS. If there is any new feature, update it from the About This Mac. Now software update, then update it if there is any update. So that's how you can add a printer on a Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more MacBook tutorials. Thank you for watching.